I saw Katie Heron was wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I got army pants and flip-flops. Let's clean this out because I've been sitting on it for too long. And thank you, Emily, for reminding me that I need to tackle this. It's actually not as bad as I've seen it before, but like this cookie dough's been in the fridge for a while and it's making me sad because I definitely should have just eaten it. Candle jar that I'm trying to clean out. I'm taking everything out and then we'll be dealing with it all. I'm gonna do it in sections instead. I can't do the whole empty fridge thing. I do not have enough countertop. I still need to clean the outside of the fridge, but that's so much better. I didn't do these two drawers. I may get to them later today, but I'm hungry and I want to eat. But this is so refreshing. Oh. Now it's time to do all the dishes that were in here and had old food. But I won't bring you guys with me for that. Bye.